Hey guys, just chilling down here in the garage on a Friday night after work. Got a bit of a rust job to do. Got some rust on a cross member for a warrant of fitness. That's in there, that's the rust I've got to... So, we'll put a patch over that, so I thought, hey, why not share it around? Can see how we do it. And, yeah, so let's get into it. Hopefully we'll be all good to go. Okay guys, so if you're gonna do a job, you want to get something to put your nuts and bolts into, or else you'll just lose them. Make sure you've got a nice clean area, clear area, at least so you haven't got too much crap around and then you're away. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to take this bloody grill off now. Okay, next mission, grill. These are just screw clips. You they go into a square and then you just stick your flathead in there and twist them and they pop out. Oh no. Here we go guys, the first mission. No, we've got it. Oh no. Okay, so this old rusty nut here has is just so seized. I'm just gonna have to get some vice grips or something on those. Sweet, we might have it guys. Just giving it a loose with those vice grips. So I finally got the nut done. Oh, there's a mission. We've got it, so what we'll do now, try and get some CRC in there. Give them a few bolts in there, a bit of a spray up, make sure they're easier to get in. Hopefully it slides off now. Yep, look at that. Okay guys, we've got the bumper off. Now we can see what we're in for. And there it is. Bit of rust.